Dun, 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 dun. They have such cool walls. I don't know, like, if it's just here, but like, it doesn't look like a lot of things open in the morning. It's like already like 11, close to maybe 12. But like these little stores are like closed. But yeah, we're gonna get Milmyeon. It's a popular Busan food. Annyeong. And they're popular for the giant ass dumplings actually. So I'm excited for the dumplings. Mandu! And you get out of exit 1 of Choryang. We're here. Oh, it's popular. There's a line. Hehehe. That was funny. We just sat. He got us our, I don't know what this is, but it's like, looks like rice tea. Anyways, like he just like took this and then was like, he didn't say anything. I definitely don't know what the line is, so I told him that. And then I was like, I don't know what else. And then he was like, oh, you want menu? And I was like, yes. Please. So he bought the menu and then we ordered. I got the bibim milmyeon and then she got the mu milmyeon. We got big size and then the wang mandu. I'm gonna try this drink. Oh, it's hot. I'm sorry, I lied. I'll try it later. Food is here. So there is giant mandus. This is like almost my fist size. And then we got some side dishes. Yay! I want this plate. What's this different? I don't know. It looks cute. Dun 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 dun. Look at that juice. Whoa, that's crazy. We got our sauce. I'm not sure what this is. The sun is like shining right in my head. Maybe I chose the wrong spot. Sauce? Look at all this meat. Is it hot? Oh my god, it's so good. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah. My milkman is here. It looks like a volcano. Can I get this scissors? So mine came with hot sauce. Bum bum, done. It looks good. So we just finished eating. Now we're waiting. Hangers here. They play different music here. Banga Banga Guest House. Okay, so we're here at the Gamcheon Culture Village. You ready for this? Wow. Of light, this is glowing. Oh, that's really pretty down there too. Following the house of light. That's cute. This is like a sketchy little alley. But the road is always dark to the house of light, right? Yeah, I know. Heaven Tea House. Is it this way? is a house of hope. Number 2, the work of art that expresses the energy of light that one receives at home. One is born and raised at home, and home is where one gets one's rest. True, true, true. Orange. I like that. You can get a stamp. Soju, lots of soju. It's perfect. You want a picture next to all that soju? And beer. Somek? We're at a crossroad. Oh, there's a photo shoot there. Oh, cactuses. Unknown. Tiendo sweat.
벌써 갔네.
Check out the slime. Look at the slime though. Look at the slime. Wow. I got a family. That's so fun. It's so cute. B612. Oh, that's so cool. I don't think I need to wash my head. Look at my pinwheel. See? Oh, I had to dump because of my. Oh no, I messed it up. 안녕하세요. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. It's not a hotel. It's a dog. They have different kind of hot dogs. Try this place. I'm just kidding. Oh, it's so cute. Other things I wanted they didn't have. I wanted the spicy vegetable hot dog. They're out, and then there's like cuttlefish, like squid or jingogui, and then they don't have it either. What do they have? I want to come here though. It looks cute. Oh, they have Pikachu. I don't know what that means.
매운 거?
네. I want it spicy. 감사합니다. 오. 하하. Hey, guys. Wow. The sauce here was dripping, so I was just kind of like licking it. And oh my gosh, it is so spicy. Wow. It's just the sauce that's making it spicy. They don't play games on spice here. It was so spicy. I had to get something to drink because I was dying. Oh my gosh. There's an ajushi that's just staring at me smiling. I was trying to mimic the Busan endings. Nico? 어디에 갔습니까? I don't know. I'm sorry. I think it's fun to say though. McDonald's? Look at all these trucks. I mean, motorbikes. Hee hee hee. Motorcycles. You wanna go in? So cute. Oh, he's so cute. Where did they go? Where did they go?
He's under you.
I don't know. Are you hungry? 배고파요? 먹고 싶어요? 여기요. 여기요, 여기요. Do you want to eat my socks? What about it when I see you again? Oh, she's licking me. Oh. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Ah. Is my hand yummy?